Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Snapchat support code C14A or C14B error in just a few simple steps. This error usually appears when there's a problem with your network connection, outdated app version, or a temporary login issue. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test it. Next, go to your phone's settings, open Apps, find Snapchat, and tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. Don't worry, this won't delete your account. Then, open the App Store or Google Play Store and make sure Snapchat is updated to the latest version. If the issue continues, uninstall the app, restart your phone, and reinstall Snapchat. Finally, log in again using your correct username and password. If the error still shows up, visit support.snapchat.com, select Contact Us, and report the issue directly to Snapchat support. This usually resolves the C14A or C14B code quickly and gets your account back to normal. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.